Hello, Natalia. From Natalia. I'm recording this motivational message for yourself in the future from San Francisco on my last night before going back home. Or maybe my home, where is my home, right? Maybe home is here. I just want to take a snapshot of this moment when I'm maximally motivated and dedicated and I feel like I could do anything. I spent 2 months surrounded by people who think big and who want to win together, and I feel inspired, and I feel like, you have to think big, you have to take life by horns and never stop. Don't, let your European little mind come to the surface again, because you were born to be here. And remember every day that your tribe is here, and you can do it. You can be here full time. This is where your people are. No big deal, just come here. You will be happier, you will be more successful in whatever dimensions, in whatever terms you can define, and you will be safer, you will be happier, you will be more relaxed, you will be more chilled, you will get to where you want to get much faster and quicker with no resistance. So leave that Taoistic thinking, leave your Wu Wei philosophy, and just get to where your people are. Just exactly do for yourself exactly what you tell your own clients, and come here. Like, maybe it was your destiny. You remember the picture that is hanging on your walls back in your parents' place, and maybe that was meant to be for this whole time. If you have any shadow of belief in a higher force, this is it. This is how it works. This is how these signs in your life is supposed to be. It's just something more than serendipity. It was just meant to be. And come here. Don't hesitate. Don't doubt, because doubt always comes when you are at your lowest, when you're the most tired, when you're the most lonely. Then the doubt comes, and then you start putting weight on your shoulders and doubting if you can ever do it. You can do it, you can do it, you can be here. Just keep on going, don't stop, never lower your expectations, never lower your standards. Remember, what you want from life exists. You don't have expectations you don't have plans that collide with other people's plans. You're not striving for an Olympic gold medal that blocks other people from getting Olympic gold medal. You are striving for being a main character of your own story. You can do it. Anyone can do it. Yeah, it's just your own achievement, your own win, and everyone can win, and you can win together in San Francisco. So come back here, never stop going forward, and you can do it. It's so easy, and just remember, in the moments of doubt, just remember how you felt on this particular day, when you have that clarity, you have that unclouded view that this is so simple. Just come here and things will sort out for themselves. Really, your life gets rolling by itself. You don't have to pedal anymore. You get this person market fit, and you start pedaling down the hill instead of uphill. Everything else is just falling into place. It's just a matter of community you choose. And instead of doubting, just go get what's rightfully yours, Nati, because you were working on this for your whole life. Your project home was there going on for your whole life. When others were dating and partying and having fun and not caring and enjoying their 20s, you were working, and you were working hard, and now you have all the credentials you need to get to wherever you want. So don't doubt yourself, because you got it, girl. And also, look at all these people. There are lots of brilliant, extraordinary, smart people there, but there are also people who are just average. If they can do it, you can do it. Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you? You're so smart. Don't look at others. I mean, you're on your own way. You're the main character of your own story. Yeah, why don't you just focus on yourself and just go get what you want to have? And again, you don't step onto anybody else's plan. It's just your own path. So go your own way. Go get it. If you have a moment of weakness, just listen to this recording once again and come back on track, because your tribe is waiting for you and home is waiting for you. Hugs, warm hugs. You can do it, Nati.